Typically, the implant procedure is quick, low risk, and usually done under local anesthesia. It does not require open-heart surgery, and most people go home within 24 hours. The implantable defibrillator is implanted under the skin in the upper chest. A small incision is made, and insulated wires called leads are guided through a vein and into the heart. The leads are connected to the defibrillator, and the device is programmed to meet your needs. It is then tested to make sure it is working properly and inserted into a pocket under the skin. The incision is then closed with stitches. There are some risks involved with an ICD system implant surgery that we would like you to know about. The risks include, but are not limited to, infection at the surgical site, sensitivity to the device material, failure to deliver therapy when it is needed, or receiving extra therapy when it is not needed.